Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up and maximize rewards on ESPN Bet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Setting up and maximizing rewards on ESPN Bet is a smart way to enhance your betting experience and make the most of your wagers. So here's a step-by-step guide. Number one is to set up your ESPN Bet rewards account. So in order to do that, download the app and then open it up, and once you open it up, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner or just simply tap on the sign up option to create an account. Now once you are registered, what you need to do is understand the rewards program, read ESPN Bet's terms for rewards program including earning points, reward tiers and expiration. Number third is to link payment methods for bonus opportunities. So on tapping on your profile icon and here tapping on your payment methods option, you'll be able to link payment methods for bonus opportunities. Certain promotions may offer extra rewards when using specific payment methods. Link verified payment method, example credit card, bank account or digital wallet to avoid missing out. Number 4 is to take advantage of the welcome bonus. New users often get a welcome bonus, deposit matches, free bets or credits, boosted odds for first bets. Ensure you meet minimum deposit or wagering requirements to claim these bonuses. Number 5 is to participate in promotions. Regularly check the promotions tab for daily or weekly offers, seasonal promotions or referral bonus. Number 6 is to place qualifying bets. Focus on bets that offer higher reward multipliers, parlays or multiple leg bets often on more points. Look for games or events with promotional multipliers. And then number 7 is to redeem rewards. Access the reward section to see your points or credit, redeem for free bets or site credits, merchandise, event tickets or cashback options. Stay active to maintain your reward. So that's basically what you can do. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.